Get your tools, accessories and cap ready. Fix the cap seat. Turn on machine and select the cap embroidery frame. Fit the cap driver along the guide rail. Fix the screws on both sides. Check if the cap drive moves smoothly. Open the cap frame. Arrow direction aligned to fit into cap seat. Align the center of the cap with the arrow. Button up. Clips on both sides of the cap. Remove the cap frame. Arrow direction aligned to fit into cap's driver. Make sure the free buckles are properly engaged. Choose the pattern. Adjust parameters according to needs. Choose the colors. Adjust embroidery position according to needs. Confirm embroidery. Press the button to start embroidery.